Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Jake from Stranger Card Breaks. We're doing a hit recap video from the 2012 Prominence 10-box football break number 2 on Thursday, March 27th. Here's how the random broke down. We had Texans, Danny Tomaszek; Jaguars, Lane Pollard; Lions, AJ Kissel; Ravens, Katie Scavara; Dolphins, John Brown; Jets and Falcons, Steve Owen; Browns, Katie Scavara; Titans, Robbie Alt; Redskins, Katie Scavara; Rams, Jay LaRouche; Steelers, Andy Pitts; Packers, Jay LaRouche; 49ers, Lane Pollard; Chargers, Scott Enoch; Saints, Steve Owen; Colts, Chris Newman; Broncos, Josh Good; Raiders, Chris Case; Chiefs, Michael Isbell; Patriots, Andy Pitts; Cardinals, John Brown; Seahawks, Steve Owen; Bengals, Robbie Alt; Giants, Lane Pollard; Bills, Adam James; Buccaneers, Steve Owen; Eagles, Isabels; Bears, Adam Spino; Cowboys, Brad Dean; Vikings, Isabels; and Panthers, Steve Owen. Remember, this is 10 boxes of 2012 Prominence. We had a Matt Schaub jersey, number to 199. We had Doug Martin rookie jersey, number to 299. We had a LaMichael James rookie jersey, also to 299. We had a Ryan Broyles rookie jersey, 299. And a Stephen Hill rookie jersey to 299. We had a dual jersey of Trent Richardson and Doug Martin, and that was out of 249. And that one went to Steve Owen with the Buccaneers because he had more teams in the break than Case Scavara with the Browns. We also had a dual jersey of Lamar Miller and LaMichael James. That was out of 249. I can get some focus here. There we go. And that was randomed off at the end of the break, and John Brown won that one. So John Brown with the Dolphins beat out Lane Pollard with the Niners through a random. Then we had this same card come up, except this was the patch version of Lamar Miller and Michael James. And that one was 10 of 49. There we go. That one was also random between the two guys, and John Brown won that one as well. We had a Fletcher Cox rookie auto at $4.99. Travis Benjamin rookie auto for the Browns at $1.99. Devin Wiley rookie auto for the Chiefs at $1.99. Cyrus Gray rookie auto for the Chiefs out of $4.99. Levante David rookie auto for the Buccaneers out of $1.99. Kevin Zeitler rookie auto for the Bengals out of $4.99. And a Case Keenum rookie auto for the Texans out of $4.99. We had a Harrison Smith Apprentice Ink rookie auto for the Vikings out of $99. Dontari Poe Apprentice Ink rookie auto for the Chiefs out of $99. And a Doug Martin Apprentice Ink rookie auto for the Buccaneers. And that one was 21 of 25. We had an Isaiah Peed on-card rookie auto for the Rams. That was out of 140. Ronnie Hillman on-card rookie auto for the Broncos out of 210. And a Michael Floyd on-card rookie auto for the Cardinals. That was out of 75. You had a rookie helmet signatures redemption for Ryan Broyles of the Lions. We had a Letterman patch auto of Kobe Fleener for the Colts. That was out of 175. A Dwayne Allen Letterman patch auto for the Colts. That was out of 200. A David Wilson Letterman patch auto for the Giants. That was out of 150. We had a sick full-color patch auto of TJ Graham 4 colors there in the patch. That was at 240. That's for the Bills. A very nice 3-color patch auto for Chris Gibbons and the Rams. That was 14 of 15. A Brock Osweiler jersey auto for the Broncos. That was number 4 of 25. A Trent Richardson team logo patch auto for the Browns. That was out of 80. And we had a very nice biggest hit of the break. Russell Wilson rookie patch or rookie team logo auto for the Seahawks. That was out of 150. So nice Russell Wilson to end the break. And that was the 2012 Prominence Football 10-box break number 2 on Thursday, March 27th. Thanks, guys.